Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as an entry level, so you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of KPMG and it's a hiring for AEM developer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this roles and responsibilities. So KPMG entities in the India offer service national of international client of India across the sector. We provide a rapid performance based on the industry focus of technology, enable the service which reflect or share knowledge of global and local industry or experience of Indian business environment. So front-end developer like those who have a knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, equal employment opportunity information, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a BE, BTech, a postgraduate can apply for the job. And how to apply for? So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Next job is coming from GE Healthcare, and it's a hiring for a software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this job description. So responsible for designing, building, delivering and maintainable software application and service, working in the area of machine cloud platform and the application, responsible for software lifecycle including activities and the requirement analysis, documentation, the procedure and implementation. So responsibility is that work with the team of the solve business problem, write high quality distributed system software, work closely with the technical production manager and translate overall system architecture and the product requirement, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science or related discipline can apply. 0+ year of professional software development experience of head state technical innovation, and 0 year of experience of building a scalable distributed system using modern work of AWS Azure. And you have to know and how to apply for this job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Simons, and it's a hiring for software developer for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this job description. So develop functionally accurate system CTLM and software module of CPUs, ARM and hardware service that can be used to compose virtual platform, verify the module's functional behavior module and RTL using system C, and or all these things test build visual platform of hardware design and system level, and write professional functional space of designing document. And those who have done a bachelor degree or PhD degree of equivalent experience of computer science, electrical engineering or minimum very good of honor degree can apply. A strong experience of C++ programming in embedded Linux development, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for this job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Genpact, and it's a hiring for full stack developer for Noida location. So let's talking about this responsibilities. So in this role, full stack developer, you will be partner with the business of backend team of to create world-class conform software. You will be play a initial role in the planning, development, testing and development of the all software solution. And let's talking about this responsibilities. So experience of implementing REST service of Java 8 primarily including Spring Boot, some experience of BDD framework for front-end technology, good written and verbal communication skill, some experience with agile methodology and peer communication, Scrum, etc. And all these things you have to know. And those who have done BTech, MTech or MCA can apply. And IT experience required, Angular or Git. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Oracle, and it's a hiring for software engineer for Pune location. So let's talking about this. Those who have done bachelor degree of above software engineering, computer science related electronic and field of experience of agile development preferred, and proficiency of web development technology including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Proficiency of JS object oriented including prototype based on and familiarity with one mainstream front-end framework, Angular, React, and familiarity with HTTPS. And all these things you have to know. And strong programming fundamental of good coding habits of skills, coding skills, experience of CMMI implementation is plus. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 5 different job role, what is a job role and how to apply for the job. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to miss any update. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye.